Hi everyone, I'm Saleha, and this is Friday Night Adda on the Rocks. And joining me on my virtual Adda tonight are my two friends from Asansol, Madhumita Chatterjee and Paromita Thakur. Hello.
Hello,
Hello,
everybody, and
hello,
hello,
Saleha.
Saleha. So great to see you after
Yes,
such a long time. And
yes,
I hope we'll enjoy this adda that we have.
yes, virtual Addas are always good. It doesn't
Yes.
cost money, Madhumita.
Yes.
So,
Mm.
Madhumita's sister Shivli and I have studied together, I think, from kindergarten up until class 10.
Yeah.
And then we were in Lady Bourbon. And every time I've gone to England, I have kind of said to her, I will meet her in Scotland, but somehow it hasn't happened. And Paramita and my cousin Zahir, they work together. So, along with being in the same school, we have cousins and siblings who
Yeah.
have had some connection with both of them.
Yeah.
Yes. Actually, Paromita's
Yeah.
sister
I
was
was a
my
year junior to
batchmate.
y'all.
Mm. No,
Huh.
Paromita was junior. Her sister was with me.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't remember. So
My
tell me
sister
about
was with
Asansol.
you
What's
in
happening?
Brabant also.
Yeah. But we were in different streams.
Yes, like Shirley and me. So Madhumita, what's
Yeah.
happening in
Yeah.
Asansol?
Yeah.
Tumito, you
Well,
were a
it's
student there, teacher there.
Yeah. No, actually, presently, of course, what exactly is happening, I do not know. But to talk about, I mean, I'm always so ready and so happy to talk about Asansol and Loreto, especially because I've spent almost half my life over there as a student, as a teacher 35 years, and as a student, of course, we had class 11 in those days. So it's almost
Yeah.
my
You did
second
Cambridge.
year, as you could say. Yeah, and we did senior Cambridge. Uh, and we had all
Yeah.
the Irish and the British nuns during
That's
those
right.
times.
Yes, yes.
So that's something, when I go back, I haven't been back for quite some time now with this lockdown, but I'm always ready to go. But that is something I miss. And I've been, sort of missing all the years, when this transition took place and the nuns left and we had Indian nuns. And then now it's all lay people who are in charge of the school. So that's a huge change that's come
Yeah.
about in
That is what.
all the Lorettos, in fact.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
So
think
no more
Yeah.
Paramita
Irish
worked
nuns.
with me. Sorry?
No more
No,
Irish.
no, no, no. Irish nuns are here. I wouldn't say they are not here, but they are now not into the school or taking care of anything. I don't know about the other states where there are Loretos, but definitely not in
Most.
West.
Yeah. Most of the nuns have. I think they were in Loreto House, or maybe in Daj, Loreto
Uh,
Daj. But the last that I got to hear about Sister Moira, you all must have very fond
she's
Yes,
memories
left.
of
she was
her
She's left.
staying
also.
here.
She's gone back to
Yeah,
Ireland.
she's gone back to Dublin. That's what I
Oh,
heard.
has she?
Yeah, yeah, she's
Oh,
gone back. System. I
Uh-huh.
just actually, many of the nuns who were in Asansol when I started teaching, or maybe came on later, still keep in touch with me. So I get the information from them. So I just
Yeah.
got that for that. Sister Moira's gone back to Ireland.
okay.
I must share something very funny, a very
Yes.
funny incident that took place with Sister Moira. Sister Moira was in charge
We
of
all have
the
our memories with her.
no, no, this is while I was teaching. So there was a
Okay,
transition.
okay, okay. So, yeah.
Transition from
Hmm.
accepting, from the government, the subsidy from the government, and then and the school. So I was briefed by one of the teachers who happened to be the rep at that time that she was leaving for something. So she said, Modumita Di, since you know Sister Moira, you ask her these questions. So I said, okay, fine, no issues. So Sister Moira came in for the staff meeting and she said, she looked around and she said, oh, one familiar face. I know Madhumita. And I let her into a secret. I was very bad in geography. So I always, I kept asking, I keep asking Sister, or rather, I kept asking Sister Moira, I said, do you remember me? Because I was so bad in geography. She said, no, I used to feel very very sorry for you. That's how I remember it. So there I was asking her all the very sensitive questions, and our principal, who was sitting there, she almost collapsed. How can this teacher ask these questions? So then she said, "You were asking." So I said, "Yeah, I'm meant to ask these questions because it concerns us, and it's no big deal asking Sister Moira because I know her so well." So she said, "Oh, actually, probably no, that's that senior position and all that." So, but for me, it didn't matter because I
That's
was
right.
very homely with her, and she also answered all the questions.
So, Paramita, I haven't been in Asansol for a while. Tell me what has changed, what hasn't changed.
Uh, connection is quite poor, and I'm not getting to hear much.
Okay.
Please kindly, can you repeat, Salia?
Yeah. I said I haven't been to Asansol for a while. So, what has changed and what has remained the same?
Oh, Asansol market is the same, as crowded, as dingy as ever. You have to push through those dark lanes still. Nothing has changed about the bazaar. But yeah, new malls have come up. And there are, I think, two malls that have recently, one is still under construction. But
Where? Where?
yeah,
Where is this
Where's the
new
one
mall? I
under
know the one near
construction?
Chitra.
one is in Centrum, the one that is still, developing in a developing
Okay.
stage
It
there.
still hasn't come up
And
fully.
But where is
no,
it?
no, no, all, it's on the way to Kalyanpur, just after crossing
Uh,
that overbridge. You remember that
The
bridge that was
BRT?
Railway
there, where all
overbridge.
the,
Konta
Railway
yeah,
overbridge,
yeah. So
Senrale Road.
Centrale.
yeah, we moved towards that, and it is after some time, I think a drive from Bhagat Singh, say it'll take you just
I
10
don't
minutes
think
maybe to
Saleha will
reach.
connect. Saleha, you've seen the Bhagat Singh statue? No, 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 no. She wouldn't be able to
You don't
connect.
remember?
No,
No, if
Oh, what was
you
it
see,
then?
I'll tell you, you know Senrale
It
Road.
was Burnpur
I know
More.
Centrale.
It was
Yes,
Burnpur More.
I know Burnpur more.
Yeah, towards that.
Acha, so
Yeah,
towards
but towards
Centrale, as
from the
Mamita said.
Burnpur More, you go straight. Yeah.
Okay,
So
yes,
one
yes.
is there, and one is just bang opposite to Chitra.
That I
Yes,
think
that
Okay.
you
I
know.
know. That I know.
Chitra,
That I know.
sadly, Chitra is in a very bad
It's
shape.
closed down. It's
This
closed
more,
down.
huh?
As
It's
it's closed.
closed,
I heard it's
and
closed.
I
uh,
saw Sholay
yeah,
there,
it's
so many
closed.
movies
Yeah.
there.
Surely.
Yeah,
I'll
all the
never
movies
forget.
were there only. And
Okay,
yeah, that's the story of Chitra that is there. But otherwise, there's not, nothing that much noticeable a change in Asansol. Like what we really need here, yeah, good schools have come in, apart from our own Loreto, St. Pat's and Vincent's. Calcutta Boys and Calcutta Girls have opened up
wow.
here.
Open run. Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Where?
They have
That's
opened up somewhere on the side of Usha Gram.
Oh, where Asansol International is,
No,
yeah, somewhere
Asansol
close to
International.
that.
close by.
No. Asansol
Uh,
International Hotel, if I'm right.
Yes.
Saleha, you're
yeah,
talking about Asansol.
Asans.
Yes.
Yeah. Asansol International is a school also out
There's a
here,
school.
a new
I
school.
realize. Yeah.
Ha, ha.
There's a
So I
school
was
called
about to
Asansol.
say no, not there, but actually,
I
some
understood
on the
that.
road, on the road to Asansol International. Yeah. So these schools have come up, but otherwise, we need a few more colleges maybe. Okay. Uh, Especially these engineering and B.Ed colleges, if there were, more of it, because there's still a great demand for these out here, and the student population is quite huge out here. So earlier, like where I'm working, I'm with an engineering college, but it's dealing with polytechnic only right now. So earlier, people had to travel all the way to Durgapur to get their polytechnic degrees. But now that this college has opened up, out here. So students are coming here in huge numbers. So
Right.
there is a need. There is a need for good colleges also out here. And earlier, I was also traveling to Durgapur every day to, do my. Uh,
Oh,
I was
yeah.
associated with a management college out there, so traveling became quite a challenge. As days will go by, it will become more of a challenge for me. So I decided it's high time I did something out here in my own area where
And are
things
you
will be
happy
more
being in Asansol?
comfortable.
Are you happy
Yes,
being in
yes.
Asansol? Are you happy
Yeah,
being in
very, very, very happy. Very, very happy.
Madhumita, I have met
Yeah.
so many people from Asansol in Melbourne. I mean, I
Oh,
was at a dinner
really?
and I was talking about Asansol, and there was
Okay.
somebody who said, "Who talked about Asansol?" And I was like, "Me." He must have been your batch. Then I met another friend of mine who's one of our closest friends, at a dinner. And where
Uh,
are you from? Asansol. I'm like, oh my God. And he studied with my brother. So it is amazing how, even in Melbourne, you meet
Yeah.
people
yes.
from Asansol. And then I spoke to Paramita's son, who is this
Yeah.
big thing in the Bharat Army in Melbourne. And yes,
Okay.
no,
Oh,
but
he's very.
Asansol
Ye-
and school always reminds me of the fêtes, Madhumita. You remember we used to have all
Oh, no, I know we have been having faiths of late also, but the kind that we used to have on that
Yeah.
huge scale, using the entire school practically. That
Yes. Yes.
the whole that basketball court, and there used to be a tennis court which has now
yes,
transformed into another basketball court, and the entire lower field which is now the parking area. So
parking.
all
Yeah,
that.
the low, I remember the, if you will, you all also must be remembering that little train ride Mrs. Green had set up. And
Yes,
yes, I think
in
I
the
was
lower.
very small then. Yeah, in the lower field, I
And
think.
Hillary is
Isn't it?
part of the group, so I'm sure she loved listening to this.
And how we enjoyed.
Mrs. Green herself is somebody we can continue to talk about
Yeah,
always.
yeah, yeah,
So much. I mean,
always.
even when it was Teachers' Day, I remember because I shared many Teachers' Day programs with her as a teacher. But even
Mhm.
at that time, if there was some hitch the children were having, she'd be the first one to run up onto and everybody was trying to pull her back. It's your day. It doesn't matter. I have to go and help. She would run onto the stage and help with the mic and but I
Yeah,
think
she's always been a great favorite.
Asansol, you're talking about Asansol, all Swiggy and Zomato, everything is now servicing in
Yes,
Asansol, I
yes,
believe.
yes, yes,
You have
yes, that
takeaway food in
that way.
Asansol.
Sorry?
But
You have takeaway food in Asansol now.
Yeah, yeah. It looks
yes,
like, I mean,
yes.
but this happened only after 2017 because I came away in 2017. So it was not available at that time. Ola services had started at that time.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
all this. But
That way, Asasol has moved forward.
that maybe,
Uh,
but that if you Saliha, you may be remembering that Royal Hotel, famous for its biryani, which women
Yes,
would never visit at a particular time. Girls would never go there.
I remember Royal Hotel. I'm just trying to remember where it was. In
That
Bastan
Bastin
Bazaar.
Bazaar,
Yes, yes, yes,
Bastin
yes,
Bazaar.
yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
Bastan
So
Bazaar.
yeah.
Yes.
earlier, I remember, we would never go, and then gradually, we started going. But now it has really come up. No, I mean they've got another AC unit over there, and the biryani, of course, is wonderful.
But another thing to remember is John Chow shop.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
correct.
yes.
Yes, yes, that of course. We
And
remember.
you know what? Mr. John's daughter was our classmate. Okay.
Okay.
So we would sneak out on sports day. Invariably, we were a team of devils. Okay. And we somehow managed to sneak out to TP Market. We would, walk down GT Road and have lunch at Shio's house because that was their shop also. And that was a great adventure. And then coming back and, getting back into the lines without being noticed by the teachers because there were, not eyes, but scanners. Okay. Teachers' eyes were not eyes, but scanners. So invariably, we would get caught. We would come up with these lame excuses. We don't know what stories we made. I still can't recall, but I'm sure we made stupid stories to save our skins. And that's how John Chow remained with us throughout our lives.
Yeah, I
I'm
remember.
sure that's the same with all of you all.
Well, we had Bharat Coffee House, we had
Yes.
John's Chow, and we had
Huh,
Sasi
huh,
Cafe.
yes,
Sasi Cafe.
yes,
Yes.
yeah,
Yeah.
Um,
Sasi Cafe, of course,
yeah.
closed down, unfortunately, but Jadoo Kadhai has come up over there in
okay. So
those.
my
Yeah.
family home is actually very close to Rahalen. You remember Godhuli Cinema?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
yes, my
absolutely.
Yeah,
family home
of course. Who
is
wouldn't?
yes. So my family home is
Chachi,
just
was
opposite.
Chachi's shop over there? Chachi's shop was there
Nana,
near your
Chachi
house.
shop is in Rahalen. Nana.
That's Rahalin. Ah, yeah, yeah, Rahalin.
This was
Yeah.
No,
like
there used to
Chachi
be.
Champa. We are actually right opposite
No,
Godhuli, which is, I
Godhu.
mean,
Okay.
Hmm.
There used to be a shop that
Yeah.
sold lovely, gathias and all
that's the
that.
one. Yep. So our house is just
No?
behind that.
That's the
Yeah.
one
So
near
that's the one. Yep.
Godhuli. That's the one
Kachchi's
near
Dukan.
Yeah,
Godhuli.
yeah, just
Yeah.
bang
Kachchi's
opposite
Dukan.
Yeah.
Godhuli.
Yes,
Yeah.
I
yes.
remember if we
And
ever
Kachi
went for
bhaja.
Holi,
Na?
we'd buy
Kachchi's
kachi
Dukan.
bhaja from there and go.
Yes. So we, yes,
Yeah.
that's where our family is. And after my parents sold our house, my parents actually moved to the house where my dad lives now. And it's
Mm-hmm.
it's a joint family. So my kakas are there, my kakimas are there, and only one cousin is there, Badsha, who lives with his family. But my other cousins, Zahir, Sabrina,
Yeah.
Tasrina, my brother Yusuf, and everybody else,
Uh-huh.
when we now all meet, we actually all meet at our family home, which is called Aisha Manzil, or we call it 7 Hospital Road, because that's the address. And another of my cousins, um, we call him Shujan, um, Rizvi Kabir. Uh, he is also there. We all kind of all congregate for all the BAs and get
Yeah,
together.
yeah, I know, I
Pray.
know. You were here, you were there for Zahir's BA, but somehow something happened. Maybe my parents, who's always a big concern for me these days, maybe I had to go to Kolkata for that to attend them. So I missed the BA, but I knew you were here.
Yes, I
And I
came.
know when you
Yes,
come. And I know when you
Saliha,
come.
this Sabrina you're talking about, Sabrina Beg.
yes, Sabrina is my cousin. Kuttu to
I think
bone.
I've taught her. I think
I'm
I've
sure
taught
you
her.
have. Yes, I'm sure.
Yeah, she's much younger to us, I think.
Much more. I've
Only
taught her.
so,
I've
like
taught her
lots,
emceeing.
lots
Uh,
younger.
uh,
Sabrina, you would
uh,
have taught Tasrina also.
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Both my Kuttu
Mhm.
to bone, but both very much younger to us. In fact, Sabrina is younger than my daughter. So
Mm.
she's younger
Okay.
than yes. So there's a huge age difference, but this is what happens.
Now,
uh,
since we are all Loreto, I'd like to show you something. The cup that I'm using
yes,
just now,
yes.
that's the
Ha, ha,
175
ha, ha.
years of Loreto in India.
Yeah.
The
Wow.
logo
Yeah.
that is there. And this is the other side.
Keep calm. Oh, this is so
That's my
good.
cup. I don't give it to anybody to use. And everybody
You
at
Same
home
have
here.
to
knows
put a
it's
photo
mine.
of that. Put a photo of that
Same
I'll
and
send
send
here.
it to
I'll
us.
send it to
Okay,
you
we'll
all,
be
okay?
doing that. Yeah.
Yeah.
We
So
all have it.
Paramita
We
also may
have
be
a,
having one.
yeah, yeah,
This
because
this this
you
was
know,
gifted. Yeah, this was gifted to me at one of the reunions, the last reunion that we
yeah,
had.
yeah, yeah,
This was
yeah.
given to me.
It was something that was,
Yeah,
made
that was
for
after
the
I retired,
reunion only.
2017
Yeah.
December, I think it was.
Yeah, yeah. And in fact, you must be aware that our school has a alumni,
They have an
you
So
alumni,
know,
this
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, a
Which
registered
Madhumita
alumni
run?
at that. A
Don't you run
registered
that group?
alumni.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There's a Facebook there.
Yes,
It's on Facebook
yes,
yeah,
also.
yes.
But you have
yeah.
to register as an alumni before you can get into that group.
Yes, I know that because I'm part of that group. Yes, so I
Because,
see a lot of
and a
them.
lot of people, like, unfortunately, I don't know why we missed out or we skipped the reunion this time because we didn't get much of a, I think, response or something.
Yes,
I
No,
don't
yes,
the
yes.
really know.
response wasn't very, yeah, yeah, the
It's
response wasn't there, I think. Everyone had their own date
anyway, it's
issues
good
and
one
all.
way that we didn't plan anything because the whole thing would have gone haywire.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
everything would have come down like a pack of cards. Very true, very true.
So
So, in a
Madhumita,
way,
you
it saved
have
us a lot of trouble.
so Madhumita, you lived in Asansol all these years, and now you have moved. How does it
Mhm.
feel? I'm asking
Uh,
you this because when I was young, I couldn't wait to get out of Asansol. It was like class 10 Shesh, Calcutta.
mhm.
And I don't think I
Mhm.
have really been back for extended periods of stay. Yes, I have been back on holidays, and when Ma was sick, I've gone back. And now that I'm not there, I miss it. And but again, when I go back to Asansol, like I was there last year for precisely 24 hours because India closed its borders, and I had less than 24 hours notice so basically I landed in Cal. My father had sent the car. I drove to Asansol, stayed the night. Next day out, took the flight to Delhi, took the flight to Melbourne, and came. Like 36 hours, I have no idea what happened. But and when I go home, it's like I'm so busy with the family, meeting up relatives, that I never
Mhm.
get to go anywhere. I went to the bazaar. Yes, it's still the same. I walked towards
Yeah.
Gora Tailors, and I walked towards Ushagram because my mother.
Gora, the main Gora is that not there anymore.
I know that. I know that. Yes, I know
You
that.
remember? You remember Gora, Mr. Gora?
Yes, I don't know Mr. Gora, but I
Yeah.
remember the short man.
I
Yes,
mean, I mean the owner, yeah, the
yes,
owner who was short and always had this measuring tape around
yes.
his neck, and he knew everything about all fashions. Huh?
My goodness, why
He
only
didn't had
Gora? There
to.
was
He
another.
didn't ever.
Yeah, go on,
There
About
was
Parmita.
Rex. There was Rex also.
Rex also. No,
yes,
there was
Rex
another
Taylors. Yes,
No,
tailor,
no, it's okay. It's
Dave,
okay.
Dave Taylors. Dave Taylors. There was another
Yeah,
fellow
that's
over there.
Rex. That's Rex
Uh,
Taylor.
no,
Yeah,
no, no. Rex is
yeah.
different. Rex, I think, Saleha, Rex, I think one of the sisters was with you, Geeta, I
Geeta and
think
I are still in touch. Yes, Geeta Vijay.
I
She's
think it
also
was
in the group.
theirs. I
Yes,
think it
yes,
was theirs. Yeah. Rex was theirs. No,
yes.
no,
Rex
there was
was
this
there.
Deb Taylor, and we used to have I'm going back to Loreto again. I can't help it.
No,
We used to, yeah,
Yeah.
we used to have our principal was Sister Cecily. And very versatile lady. She's wanted a new sports uniform, and she liked the one that we used to wear in school. That blue one with the
yes,
roll
Blue
collar,
I
thing.
short.
Yeah.
remember that. Yes,
Yeah.
six
So
inches above the knee.
we went and contacted Dave Taylor, but myself and there was Rita Sen. She's also an ex Loreto, and she was a teacher. So we
Loreto.
told
Yeah.
him, come and meet sister. So sister said how much, and she was sort of pricing and all that. Kitna parega. She kept saying, and then he gave a sort of, this is this much. Said, itna kyun lega? So the poor fellow, he looked terrified. I found that he looked terrified. He said, नहीं अब मतलब लड़कियां हैं ना, थोड़ा वो कपड़ा ज्यादा लगता है, कोई अगर मोटा मोटा होगा तो दुबला भी होगा. And poor fellow didn't know what to say. I didn't know what to say. I was trying my best to control myself. She's really, but she got it done ultimately at what price that she wanted.
If you don't ask, you don't get, Madhumita. You have to. You have to. You have to. So there you go. But this is awesome. It's been so good talking about Asansol. I never tire.
Yeah.
I never
No,
tire.
actually, for me, I've come over
I
to
think none
Kolkata.
of us.
Yeah, I've come to Kolkata. I've settled down pretty well also here because I have a lot of friends here, and a lot of my classmates are settled in Kolkata. So I have no, and I'm that. I like meeting people, and I also have made a lot of other friends also. So we sort of keep meeting and all that. But that thing that was there in Asansol, that close bonding, that is definitely missing in Kolkata. That's not there. But again,
That
to be
one huge family thing.
very practical, I feel like medical
Of
facilities,
course.
etc. That's like,
Yeah.
see, this whole of this lockdown, I didn't have any issues because of the online
Yes.
availability of things, when I couldn't go out,
Hmm.
or I had to,
Hmm.
for because of practical purposes, because I couldn't let my husband go out because of the several health issues he has. But if
Hmm.
these
Hmm.
facilities were not available, I really would have found it very, very difficult.
Yes.
So that way,
Yeah.
for practical purposes, maybe having shifted to Kolkata was a good move.
Is
In
yeah,
my
yeah.
case.
At this point of time, especially at
Mhm.
this point of time.
Yeah,
True.
because
I
So
look
health
at
facilities are still a
mm,
question mark out here.
yes, I agree
mm,
because my
Uh,
mother had, Alzheimer's, and before she passed away, her entire organs failed. So my father moved her to the hospital along with my cousins and everyone else. Um, but it was a nightmare because they didn't have facilities. They had
that is.
two ventilators in the whole of the city. That hospital had two ventilators. And because Ma was like, okay, for 1 hour, they removed the ventilator and put it on somebody else. And at 10 o'clock, we
Oh,
were told, please move her. So we had to move her to Mission Hospital. And I cannot even tell
yeah.
you what an experience that was. Oh my
That
God.
was, yeah. Mission is can be another experience. I've heard this
I don't
from
want to go
many
there.
sources
So,
that,
yes,
mhm.
it was.
yeah,
So
let's
So,
not.
that
yes,
way,
Let's not.
I wish.
I
Yeah.
didn't come because of that, but I came because my granddaughter was staying with me,
Yes.
and so my daughter said, "Bring her over now that like you've retired. So what's the need of staying there? And I mean, you have to have younger people around." Then my aged parents were there,
Of
so
course.
I said, I mean, staying close by would help. But I mean, maybe God help, because after that my
Your
husband
destiny.
sick so frequently. Every alternate month he had to be hospitalized in a critical
My,
condition. So if
mm,
I hadn't been in Kolkata, God alone knows what would have happened. So that
yeah.
way,
True.
I've made a move.
So,
True.
guys, it's already 28 minutes,
Yeah.
and on this note, we have to go. I hope next
But it
time
was
I'm in India,
great
I get
meeting.
to
I
meet
mean,
most
seeing
Yeah,
you.
we should. We should make it a point to meet this time, Saleha, and by no reason should we miss each other.
No, we
In fact,
shouldn't.
Saliha, when you
Okay.
come, we'll try and get in touch with the Asansol people living over here
Thank
close to
you.
us and sort of
I
get
love
in.
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah,
Okay. Bye,
Okay.
yeah.
Saleha.
We'll
Thank
catch
Bye,
up.
you. Yes,
Paramita.
thank you so
It's
much
lovely
for
talking
Bye,
to
Dee.
you.
reaching
Bye,
out
Dee.
to me. I'll see you guys
It's
soon.
been great. It's really been great. Very nice feeling
Thank,
when Lorettoites join together. There's always fun.
thank you. And I'll see you
Thank you,
soon.
Saleha.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Okay. Bye, everybody.